Genesis 6, the corruption of the world and Noah's Ark. In the days after Adam and Eve, the earth was filled with people, but as they multiplied, so did their wickedness. The thoughts of men were evil all the time. They lived for themselves, with no regard for God. The Lord saw how great the wickedness of mankind had become. He was grieved in his heart and said, I will wipe mankind from the face of the earth, people, animals, and all creatures that move along the ground, for I regret that I have made them. But among the corruption, one man found favor with God, Noah. Noah was a righteous man, blameless among his generation. He walked faithfully with God. God spoke to Noah, saying, The earth is full of violence. I will destroy all living things, but you, Noah, build an ark of gopher wood. Make it 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. Coat it with pitch inside and out. Bring 2 of every kind of animal into the ark, and take food for them. Noah listened to God and did everything just as he commanded. While the world mocked him, Noah remained faithful, preparing for the coming flood. The world continued in its wickedness, unaware that judgment was near. But Noah and his family trusted in the Lord, preparing for the day the rains would come. And so God's plan of salvation was set in motion, but the world did not yet know what was about to come.